Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to do basic division step by step. Division is a fundamental arithmetic operation that involves splitting a number, called the dividend, into equal parts, determined by another number, called the divisor. The result is known as the quotient, and sometimes there's an amount left over, which we call the remainder. Understanding these parts is crucial for mastering division. Let's clarify the key terms you'll encounter. The dividend is your starting total, the big number you're breaking down. The divisor tells you how many pieces to cut it into or the size of each piece. The quotient is your main answer, showing how many are in each group. And if things don't divide perfectly, you'll have a remainder, which is the leftover amount. Now, let's walk through the process. Begin by looking at the first digit or first few digits of your dividend. Divide that portion by your divisor. Write the result as the first digit of your quotient. Then, multiply that quotient digit by the divisor and subtract it from the dividend portion. Bring down the next digit and repeat these steps until you've worked through the entire dividend. Let's try an example. If you divide 25 by 5, your quotient is 5 with no remainder. If you divide 27 by 5, the quotient is still 5, but you'll have a remainder of 2. Remember, division is about fair sharing and finding how many groups you can make. Keep practicing these steps, and you'll become a division pro in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.